I was feeling really low. My husband actually referred me to Green Dreams. I'm also doing hoping to do other volunteering work as well, besides working here at Green Dreams. It's made me a lot more independent. I'm going out and about a lot more now, and I just want to say thank you to a lot of people who've helped me to get this far and to go and do other work as well. It's just nice to give by doing this volunteering work, to give something back as well, put something back to somebody else who could go and help them as well.